Howdy do, good sandwich fans, Sandwich Dad here, and today on the program, goose eggs. If you remember, I made a goose egg sandwich a while ago, and I have a few left over. As you can see, they're about 3 times the size of a regular chicken egg. What am I going to do with them? Well, it was recommended to me by the farmer that I should try and make egg salad or deviled eggs with them. So that's what I'm going to do. But you can't put them in your little egg cooker like I would. They're a little bit too big, so we're going to have to go the old-fashioned route and just boil them. The internet told me I should wait about 15-16 minutes to completely boil a goose egg, so that's what we'll do. And once they're out, of course, you throw them in some nice ice water to stop that cooking process. And once they've completely cooled, which takes a while because they're quite big, peel them absolutely as fast as you can. Here we go. I'm going for the record here. Look at my speed. I swear I didn't speed up this video even a little bit. There it is. 1 peeled hard-boiled goose egg. And now to number 2, let's try and break that record even faster. Okay, I've got 2 shelled, peeled, boiled goose eggs. Now we got to make a goose egg salad. So let's cut vertically, and, well, that yolk is still a bit jammy. Way it goes, you know, goose eggs have a much higher yolk to white ratio than chicken eggs, so it does take a bit longer for it to cook. I don't mind my eggs a little jammy, nor do I mind that in my egg salad, so let's just scoop out the yolks. I like to scoop out the yolks and do them separately to the whites when I'm making an egg salad. Makes for a bit of a creamier salad, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then we'll also add in a little bit of yellow mustard, just a tad, then some Kewpie mayonnaise, all right, and finally chop up some green onions. That's how I like my egg salad. Let me know in the comments if you do anything special that you think I should try. Mix up the yolks, the mayo, and everything else there. And then we're going to go for the record, chopping up the whites as fast as we can. There we go. There's 1/2. Boy, that's a lot of egg. And then half number 2. We're going to break the record and go even faster. Once more. Chop, 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 and done. Okay. Mix it all together. And you got an egg salad going. All right, next step. 2 minutes in, we finally get to the sandwich. We've got the bread. We're going to leave it untoasted, and we're going to butter the crap out of it. Put a big old leaf of iceberg lettuce on there, crunchy water, and then pile on our egg salad. Put them all together. Put the hat on. Cut diagonally. And, wait for it, reveal! Goose egg salad sandwich. But then, of course, when you weren't looking, I was also preparing myself some deviled goose eggs. I made the similar mixture, except for I used some Dijon mustard and some pickles, and then a little bit of paprika on top. Deviled goose egg salad sandwich. Let's see how it goes. A little bit runny. Taste test. I tell you, with that higher yolk to white ratio, this is so rich and so absolutely smooth. It is spectacular. Wonderful. But I know all you eggheads out there want me to try the deviled egg as well, so let's get a taste test on that. Phenomenal. I tell you, I am loving these goose eggs. If I see any more out there, I'm going to try and buy them again. If you can find some, I recommend doing the same. Sandwich Dad and Sandwich Middle Child. Good day!